This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Alternator renewal. Undo the two retaining bolts and remove them. Pull the cover away from the engine and remove it from the vehicle. Disconnect the earth lead from the vehicle body and insulate it using a piece of hose. To improve access, remove the right-hand headlight by removing the two headlamp retaining screws, then disconnect the headlamp wiring plug and remove the headlight unit from the vehicle. Remove the cover from the auxiliary drive belt idler pulley and then remove the pulley. On models fitted with air conditioning, remove the bolts from the engine mounting on the right-hand inner wing as viewed from the driver's seat. Using a block of wood to spread the load, raise the engine slightly on a trolley jack. Disconnect the wiring plug from the top of the alternator. Then remove the cover and undo the main output cable from the front of the alternator. Remove the lower alternator mounting bolt and then remove the upper bolt. Lever the alternator free from the bracket if necessary and remove it from the vehicle. Fit the new alternator into position and refit the upper and lower alternator mounting bolts. Tighten the upper and lower alternator mounting bolts. Reconnect the alternator wiring plug, then refit the main lead, tighten it and refit the cap. Reposition the engine mount, then refit the engine mounting bolts and tighten them. Refit the idler pulley and tighten the bolt. Replace the idler pulley cap. Refit the headlight to the vehicle and secure it in position by refitting and tightening the two retaining screws. Reconnect the wiring plug. Place the cover in position on top of the engine so the oil filler cap and dipstick are accessible. Refit the two retaining bolts and tighten them. Remove the insulating hose, reconnect the lead to the body and secure it by tightening the bolt.